video will be demonstrating how to properly download a VDI or VMware to a Windows computer. Do be sure before starting this process that you are using a Windows computer, as this is the only computer that this download process is compatible with. Do be sure to check out different ways of downloading if you do not have a Windows computer. To be starting out, I am going to be opening a Google Chrome browser, as this is my preferred web browser. Once you've done this, you're going to type in the URL on the top of the screen, labs.umpqua.edu. You can either press enter or you can select VMware Horizon in that drop-down menu below. Once you've done this, it's going to take you to the VMware Horizon website, and in that white box, you're going to go ahead and select Install VMware Horizon Client. This will prompt you to the downloads that the VMware Horizon Client supports. As you can see, there are many different types, but because we are using a Windows computer, we are going to press Go to Downloads under Windows, and then we're going to go ahead and press Download Now. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, the downloading process has begun. Do be sure before starting this download process that you do have time, as this download process can take anywhere from a couple minutes up to an hour. Once this download is done, you're going to double click on that little box on the bottom of the screen. It's going to pull up a new tab asking you to agree and install. Go ahead and press agree and install, and it's going to start its installation process. Once the installation process is complete, which also takes a few minutes, you will press finish in that green box below. Once you press finish, it's going to ask if you want to restart your computer. I am choosing restart later for the purpose of this video. If you do want to continue using the VDI after one use, you will want to restart now. As you can see, I go to my desktop, and on the desktop is the VMware Horizon application. Once you double click on the VMware Horizon application, it's going to ask you to either enter in an email, which will be labs.umpqua.edu, or it'll already be there. If it is, you'll double click on that, and you'll enter the username and password. The username and password is both Umpqua with lowercase on all letters. Once again, it is both the password and the username. Once you've done this, you'll double click on Student Pool, which is in the top left of this tab. As you can see here, it is now downloading the Umpqua Windows desktop from UCC. Go ahead and press allow when it pops that up. As you can see here, we are now in the VDI, which is the UCC computer. There are many different applications that the VDI offers, which are just as if you were on campus. As you can see here, I am pulling up my own desktop and the VDI desktop. Although it may look like the VDI is using your computer, it is not your computer. As you are using the VDI, you are able to get into your own computer. That way you can save work and continue to work on both. Once you are done using the VDI, do be sure to press save or save with a different process, because it will be lost. Once you are done in the VDI, you'll go ahead and press X, and it'll ask you if you're okay with exiting out. As you can see, I am back on my own desktop. Do be sure again to save all of your work. And remember, this download process only is compatible with a Windows computer.